How to fix Business Contact Manager crashes Outlook on Windows. 1. Uninstall then reinstall Microsoft Chart Controls from http://www.microsoft.com/n-a/download/details.aspx?ID =14422. 2. Check BCM add-ins. To do so, set 3 to load behavior at hkey_current_user /software/Microsoft/Office/Addons/Microsoft.businesssolutions.ecrm.outlook add-in.connect.5 in registry editor. Save and reboot your PC.